This video is intended to supplement the instructions for use and does not replace them. All binding instructions or training requirements must be followed. Your local Dräger representative can advise you whether the content shown in this video is available in your country. Mentioned trademarks may not be registered in all countries. For further information, please visit dräger.com/trademarks.
In the following, we will show you how to replace the protective indicator window on the Oxy SR or Oxy 3000, 6000, MK2 and MK3. To replace the protective indicator window, you will need the following tools and parts: a new protective indicator window with O-ring and UHF tag, a pin spanner 35mm or the tool adapter. Optional, torque wrench and matching socket. Make sure the device is clean for the inspection and that none of the criteria to take it out of service apply, in accordance with the Daily Checks chapter of the instructions for use. Work quickly, as the indicator window can pop out. The device may be under overpressure. Check the thread seat of the protective indicator window. Minor deformations or damage can be carefully smoothed out using a file or a chisel. Ensure that you do not damage the thread. If the protective indicator window is broken, it must be replaced. When doing so, also check the indicator window behind it for any damage. Prepare the new protective indicator window and place the suitable O-ring within easy reach. Carefully unscrew the protective indicator window counterclockwise using the pin spanner or tool adapter. Hold the indicator window in place with your thumb to prevent it from popping out. Remove the O-ring. It serves only as protection against dirt particles. Insert the new O-ring. Screw in the new protective indicator window clockwise and tighten it hand tight. Observe the maximum torque specified in the instructions for use. If the indicator window springs out, clean it and reinsert it immediately. A short-term interruption of the seal is acceptable once and for a short period of time.